See, we are living in a very busy world right now. Nobody has time for anything.
Exactly.
So now, how do you correlate your project site with the schools, railway station, bus stands, airport? What is the connectivity? What is the connectivity of this project?
Jatinji, like very valid question you just asked, and even a lot of our customers are on a continuous basis or on a frequent basis. They want to know about like how well your project is connected with the routine infrastructure.
Yeah.
So let me share here, and I think you must appreciate that this is the only project here in Tri-City which is connected with all the top line school of Chandigarh and all the top line medical facilities available within the vicinity, and all the even top institutes like ISER, ISB, NIPER, within the distance of or within a drive of 5 minutes. Like in a 5 minutes you can have top of the line school like up to extent of a YPS, right? Then there is a Manav Rachna, then Manav Mangal is there. Like if you talk about the medical facilities, all the top medical institutes, like if you talk about Max, if you talk about your Shivalik, if you talk about Mayo, then your 40, it's hardly again a distance of 5 minutes drive from there.
Yeah, if somebody from Delhi or Bombay is listening to us, I think he will feel it is a dream, something or dream.
See,
this much of connectivity,
absolutely.
everything,
like,
every world-class facility, right, in 10 minutes of distance.
Jatinji, as you are already aware, like Chandigarh is very well connected with road here, and now even with the coming up of international airport, now even it is this Chandigarh city as a city is connected to the world now.
Yeah,
so
even
like, NRIs can be a very good, you can say.
And you must have read few days back, the cargo facility has also come up with the international airport. That will really give a thrust to the commerce of this area.
Absolutely right.
Hero is a big national brand, so I'm sure you are not only working in Mohali as a real estate company, you must be going pan-India. So can you elaborate on that?
Sure. Jatinji, like as you are aware, like as you rightly said, we are one of the nationalized brand and which is very well known to the all over India. So here we have a full world of reality for you, with a presence in Mohali, Ludhiana, Delhi and Haridwar. So we can offer you everywhere, and most of the best cities are available for you and come and live with us.
So because whenever we think of Hero, we think of something very big. So I am sure they are going to expand very fast pan-India. They are doing very well here. I am sure they are doing very well in Gurgaon and Ludhiana also.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, that was a wonderful insight from both the experts here at the Hero Homes in Sector 88 Mohali. Thank you very much for your time, sir.
Thank you, Deepika, and we would like to have you oftenly with us.
Look forward, sir, for many more visits with Family Nest Real Estates, because we uncomplicate your property buying, whether you're looking for property in and around Chandigarh. Friends, do not miss chance to visit Hero Homes project site here in Sector 88 Mohali. Stay tuned.
For complete details on this property, such as price, layout, specifications, etc., please do call at the number being flashed in the video. Jatin sir will be taking care of all your queries. At Family Nest, we also provide you with complimentary pick and drop facility for site visit of this property from anywhere in Chandigarh Tri-City.